Anulom Vilom Pranayam or alternate nostril breathing is not just a breathing exercise. It is a practice to balance your right brain and left brain. It is a practice to balance your solar energy and lunar energy. It is a practice to keep you calm, relaxed and stress-free. I know you want to learn how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. I am going to show you step-by-step technique of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayam and few mistakes also which you should avoid. So watch the video till end. If you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Namaste everyone, my name is Shahida. I am an internationally certified yoga teacher. I am teaching yoga since last 10 years and that experience I am going to share with you all with this video. Now let's talk about the benefits, contraindication and limitation of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So these are the few major benefits. First, if you have anxiety issue, anger problem, if you have high blood pressure, hypertension, you must do Anulom Vilom Pranayama every day. It will help you to keep calm, keep your body and mind calm and relaxed. It will release any kind of mental and physical stress. It will help you to cleanse your body from inside. It is a beginner friendly practice, so any person can do any time of the day. It will help you to improve your digestion. It will balance your hormones. It will help you to improve your sleep quality as well. What are the contraindication and limitation? There is no limitations of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Best time to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayama is early in the morning or evening, or you can practice this pranayama any time of the day. How long you should practice? For great benefit, you should practice minimum for 5 minutes and maximum it depends on you. Let's begin the practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For this practice, sit in a comfortable position. So I am sitting in Sukhasana. You can sit like this or you can sit like this also. So this is Thunderbolt position or Vajrasana. So this will help to keep my spine erect. So eyes closed and then adopt Vishnu Mudra. So how to adopt Vishnu Mudra? So making the fist like this, little finger and ring finger up. So this is Vishnu Mudra. And then bring the hands close to the body like this and close the eyes. Keep your spine erect. With the left hand, adopt Chin Mudra. So joining the thumb and index finger together and keep the left palm on your knee. Bring the elbow close to the chest. Spine erect. Close your right nostril like this. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. See how simple this practice is, right? So for the practice of alternate nostril breathing, you should have a clarity about the ratio. So I was doing this inhalation for 4 and exhalation for 4. So the ratio was 1:1. I was not putting any kind of pressure in my breathing. You have seen how calm and relaxed I was. So slowly and gradually you can increase the time of your inhalation and exhalation. Initial stage of your practice, start with 5 inhalation, 5 exhalation. After 1 or 2 weeks, you can do 10 inhalation, 10 exhalation, and slowly and gradually you can increase. Anulom Vilom is a beginner practice. So this is the first step of any pranayama you want to do. After this, you learn how to do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. I will show you in next video. So this much of practice you should do every day, minimum for 5 minutes. After a few weeks of practice, I suggest to change the ratio of your breathing. So you inhale for 1, exhale for 2. Means you inhale for 5, exhale for 10. So ratio would be 1:2. So inhale for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale for 5. Exhale longer. Inhale for 5. Exhale 10. Inhale. And exhale. Like this. Completely depends on you what ratio you want. You want to practice 1:1 ratio, so inhale for 5, exhale for 5. You want to practice 1:2 ratio, inhale for 5, exhale for 10. So have all the patience with you while doing this alternate nostril breathing, and you will see amazing results. Let me show you what are the major mistakes people generally do while doing this Anulom Vilom Pranayama. They put a lot of pressure while they breathe. So no, you should not put this much of pressure. People also make a lot of sound with the breathing like this. You should not make any kind of sound. People also make the spinal movement. You should keep your body stable. And there is one more mistake. People keep the hand like this. So it will put pressure on your shoulder, and your shoulder will start hurting after some time. So you should always keep the shoulder down, and your elbow should be close to the body like this, and you should become calm and relax. Like this. So this is how you do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. If you have any question regarding this practice, you can comment below. If you want to learn yoga under my guidance, you all are welcome to join my Zoom yoga classes. In these Zoom yoga classes, you are going to learn asanas, pranayama, how to meditate, what are the lifestyle changes you should do as a yogi, and how your diet should be. These classes are highly beneficial for beginners, people who are already practicing yoga, or if you have any health condition. I have group classes which I conduct 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning from Monday to Friday. You can also join one-on-one classes. It depends on the availability of the slots and your preference. If you want to know more about these classes, I have shared my website here, which is www.yogawithshahida.com, or you can WhatsApp on this number also. So keep practicing Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Like this video if you are new to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get all the updates from this channel. So if you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, you can comment below, and also share this video with your friends and family. I will see you all in next video. Please take good care of yourself. Namaste. Namaste bolo. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.